Hey everyone, I wanted to get on here and talk about this super cute penguin that I made over the weekend and talk about the Woobles, which is the company that made it possible. I noticed the Woobles on Instagram one day and saw their really cute little creatures and wanted to give something new a try. I've never crocheted before and I thought this would be a cute little rainy day project to do. And I noticed after I finished my Wooble that I just want to crochet all the time now because they made it such a great experience. Their shipping was super fast. I got everything I needed in the kit. The videos were extremely easy to follow, and making this little guy was so much fun. If anybody was on the fence about getting into crocheting or the Woobles, the company, I would say go for it. They make everything super cost effective. I love the addition of being able to buy a hook or not buy a hook. That makes it so much more cost effective because you don't need 15 crocheting hooks. And they made it so easy to get into this little crafts and make me want to do more. I would totally recommend this company. It's a great company and I love that I'm supporting a small business. Have a good day.
Hi, my name is Ashley and this is my video testimonial for the Woobles. So what made me decide to try the Woobles was my husband gave me a crochet kit for a gift and I don't know how to crochet, so I wanted to try something a little bit simpler before I attempted a bigger kit. And the first thing I noticed after trying the Woobles was that I actually feel comfortable reading the crochet pattern now for that larger project, and I felt comfortable with using the tools and the yarn that came in my Woobles kit pretty much right off the bat. It was a really fun experience. The tutorials are super readable, and the videos are really helpful with the slow step-by-step process, and I ended up with something super cute that only took me a few days to make, and I'm pretty impressed with how well it turned out for it being my first time crocheting. So if you're on the fence about trying Woobles, I would just give it a try. It's a fun, easy, good beginner project to learn how to do something fun and new, and you end up with a cute little dude. So thanks.
Hello, my name is Emma and I wanted to talk to you today about the Woobles. So I decided to try the Woobles because I kept seeing all these people making these really cute crochet plushies and I really wanted to try it too, but I didn't know where to start. I came across the Woobles on Instagram and I bought a few of their kits. What I first noticed after trying the Woobles was that I was really able to read a pattern very well, and I was able to start making harder things. So my experience with the Woobles was really positive because they are the reason that I fell in love with crochet and the art of amigurumi in the first place. If it wasn't for the Woobles, I would have never started crocheting. My experience with them was just so positive. They're such a great company and it's a great place to start if you're a beginner or you just want to learn how to make amigurumi. If you are on the fence about trying the Woobles, I would say to go for it because look how cute these guys are. You can make these too. It's very simple. The directions are clear and easy to follow. They help you learn how to read a pattern, and all the kits come with everything that you need. So I think they are a great company and I would highly recommend them.
Hello everyone, I am in graduate school for the second time and am part of a crafting group that meets via Zoom weekly, and I was just looking for something to try that was tangible, that would bring joy and light into my life. I'm also a substitute teacher, so I know the importance of me time, and I was just Googling and fortunately came across the Woobles and decided to give them a try. The first one I tried out was Jojo the Rabbit. It was super easy to get started. I had crocheted a bit before, but the most daunting thing that I had ever made was a scarf. But the videos, tutorials walk you through everything from how to hold the yarn to each step. You'll never be alone. My experience was super wonderful. I actually, the video showed me everything I needed to know, but the Woobles is there for you no matter what. You can send them a message. They have office hours. Had a super awesome experience, and honestly, I am now an addict. I have my second Wooble here, the little chick, and I'm actually in the process of making my second chick right now. I've got the body done, but still have the beak and the wings to go. If you are, considering buying something from this company, I highly encourage it. You have so much to gain and really nothing to lose by investing in yourself, but also just bringing light and joy not only to yourself through the process and the final products that you have here that are just adorable, but also to those around you. So happy crafting, everyone.